Today, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of soup. Steaming bowls of comfort, sure, but there's so much more to this culinary cornerstone than meets the spoon. Believe it or not, the word soup itself has a fascinating history. It traces its roots all the way back to ancient Sanskrit, where the words su and pa combine to mean ... well, good nutrition. So next time you slurp down a bowl, remember, you're not just warming your tummy, you're partaking in a word with a rich, global heritage. Soups often get a bad rap for being heavy and unhealthy. But did you know they can actually be a valuable tool for weight management? Hearty, clear broths packed with vegetables are incredibly filling and low in calories. So next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a cup of soup instead of those sugary snacks. Okay, so maybe you love a creamy chowder or a rich stew. But what about that unsightly layer of fat floating on top? Here's a clever trick. Let your soup cool completely in the fridge. The fat will solidify on the surface, making it easy to skim off with a spoon. Problem solved. We all know gazpacho as that refreshing chilled Spanish soup, perfect for a hot summer day. But its origins are a little surprising. Gazpacho can be traced back to ancient Iberia, where peasants would crush stale bread, garlic, olive oil, and vinegar together for a quick and energizing meal. Talk about resourceful. Soups aren't all savory. You know, many cultures around the world enjoy sweet soups as desserts or special treats. From Japan's sweet red bean soup and mitsu to the Philippines' halo, a colorful mix of fruits and beans. There's a whole world of sweet soups waiting to be explored. Here's the secret to consistently amazing soup. Broth is king. Don't underestimate the power of a flavorful, well-seasoned broth. Whether you go homemade or use a good quality store-bought option, it sets the stage for the entire dish. Soup has been linked to interesting superstitions throughout history. In some cultures, spilling soup is seen as a bad omen, while others believe it brings good luck. In Japan, slurping your noodles is considered polite, as it enhances the flavor. So next time you have soup, be mindful of the cultural customs surrounding it. Soup is incredibly versatile. It can be a quick and easy way to use up leftover ingredients, or it can be the centerpiece of a celebratory feast. From the French onion soup served in fancy restaurants to the rich gumbo enjoyed at Mardi Gras, soup can be as casual or elegant as you desire. So next time you have a bowl of soup, savor the flavor, appreciate the history, and maybe even try a new and exciting variety. After all, there's a whole world of delicious soups waiting to be discovered.